Hi guys, welcome back to another experiment. So for today's experiment, we're going to be testing reinforcing steel through tension test to determine the steel's tension strength. But according to our experiment, we are supposed to have 4 sizes, but sadly there are only 2 sizes available. And an additional of tire wire, so it will be like 3 samples. So let's get started.
So, for the materials to be used, we have the marker, 2 sizes of reinforcement steel, plus tie wire, steel tape, vernier caliper, weighing scale, hacksaw, vice graph, and unfortunately the universal testing machine is unavailable, so we will be manually cutting down the reinforcing steel and wire.
Is we're going to be cutting first the 12 reinforcing steel bar. So what we're going to be doing first is to measure 50 centimeters length of the 12-inch steel bar. So do we have a marking tool? Not a marking tool.
Okay. So we are now measuring like 50 centimeters from our 12 millimeters na steel wire. And that jam is gonna do that.
Not a marker.
No, we don't have.
After marking our reinforcing steel bar, so let's move on to cutting the reinforcing steel bar to another segment called Cut It Jonathan.
Uy, abas.
So Jonathan's going to be cutting this reinforcing steel bar. Listen mo na po. Kuya na po.
Before we cut, we have to freshen up ourselves. And we can now start cutting. Nag-base mo sa kamam or lang ikaw ko ba? Ay, okay.
Nag-search ko sa internet.
Lapit na.
Wala lang kayo kung sabag-bay ka na yung 1 minus siya.
Na. Amen.
Wait. Ay, yun sa tag-end sa ako.
Done?
So guys, after marking our 50 centimeters, which is I removed the marker already. So now we're going to be cutting the 10 size. Yeah, size 10 reinforcing steel bar.
And now we're going to measure the diameter. So first, we're measure the size 12 sample. Go.
Last gym ba?
So it measures exactly 12 millimeters. Oh, there are.
Ay, sabtag ko.
The next is the 10. Yeah.
The 10 sample.
So it also measured exactly 10 millimeters. And that's all for it. the youngest. Let's move on with our like. No, wait. Joke, product. So now, I'm going to measure its length again. It's 49.5. There is a mistake in cutting our sample. So next is the 12. 12. Ooh. It measures 50 centimeters.
So now we will be weighing our two samples, the size 10 and the size 12, using our digital weighing scale. So the first one I'm going to be weighing is the size 12.
Okay, alright.
As you can see, it is 0.44 kilograms. So next is the size 10 sample. And now we have 0.28 kilograms. So as you can see, the smaller the size, the smaller the weight, and vice versa.
Hey guys, so today we're going to be testing our V-bars and our tire wire using the universal testing machine. So we're going to test for its tensile strength and compare it to a CM center. Let's go. So guys, what we're going to be loading first is we're going to load our size 12 reinforcements.
Tingnan sa may concept survey nga problem.
Base factor na lang.
Wala, ito ako, sabi.
Ano sir, katulad lang pop-pop angle sir, sampo pa sa angle.
Wala nga ako muna.
Dapat kita unang year. Bago niya na Nadili. Naku ba? Hala.
Again! Emros, pinanado.
Hala. Sir, galing ka mag-year.
No? This?
Graph.
Graph.
Okay guys, so now we're going to be loading our 10 size 10 reinforcements into the testing machine.
Push.
My God, I was shocked. I mean, take the answer, but give it up the question a bit.
Guys, I think about 16 here.
Mainat ba? Puro gula ba?
Wala man.
Ano okay na ako gusto ko nito?
Ah.
Okay lang, binigsak.
Di, kuan sa bay gamay kay siya unya ni break siya ni break na siya pero gamay kayo. Oh, okay.
So first, let's measure the... Nga naman yung sa ilalim to eh.
So guys, so we finished our experiment and we subjected these three materials to attention test. So as you can see visually, yes, all of our samples broke. But as we can also visually see that there's a slight elongation near the breaking bit of the reinforced steel. So that's what we're going to be calculating in our calculations. We're going to be calculating our elongation as well as the tensile strength and the necking